Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to send Bitcoin on Cash App. To send Bitcoin on Cash App, you'll need to have Bitcoin in your Cash App balance and be verified for Bitcoin transactions. Here's how to send Bitcoin on Cash App. Number 1. Open Cash App. Launch the app on your mobile device and log in if you haven't already. Step 2. Tap on the Bitcoin tab. Tap the Bitcoin tab on the home screen and it looks like B symbol. Step 3. Verify your identity if you haven't already. If this is your first time sending Bitcoin, Cash App may ask you to verify your identity by providing some personal information and possibly uploading a photo ID. Verification can take a few minutes to a day. Step 4. Tap Send Bitcoin. After verification, tap Send Bitcoin or Withdraw Bitcoin. Step 5. Enter the amount. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can specify the amount in Bitcoin, BTC, or USD equivalent. Number 6. Enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. Copy and paste the recipient's Bitcoin address, or you can use a QR code scanner to scan the address if available. Double check the Bitcoin address as transactions are irreversible once sent. Number 7. Confirm and send. Select the priority of your transaction. This is the time it will take to deliver the transaction with different prices per priority. View the details, then tap Next or Confirm to complete the transaction. And lastly, enter your PIN or use Touch ID. You may be asked to enter your PIN or use Touch ID to confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, the Bitcoin should be sent. Processing time may vary based on network congestion. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.